I just completed building my corn mill grinder and we're going to give you a demonstration. Okay, now we're going to show you what we've got. What you end up with after you sift it is cornmeal in one bowl and grits in the other, or you can use it for chicken feed or whatever you like. I'm going to remove the front cover and show you the inner workings of the unit. Okay, this is what the unit looks like with the front cover removed. There's a grid pattern with 588 holes drilled in stainless steel. They're 3/32 holes, and then you have a 4-tip blade made out of stainless steel. The entire unit is stainless steel except for the front cover. That concludes our video for today.